you're wondering.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lillian from DreamerHouseWife. I noticed I have quite a bit of new subscribers. Thank you guys so much. So today's video is something completely different that I never do on this channel. I'm going to be making a Valentine wreath. Wreaths is something that I love doing. It's actually a hobby and I used to sell them, and sometimes I still do. I used to have an Etsy shop on just selling wreaths, something I definitely need to get back into again. So wreath making is very enjoyable to me, and I thought I'll share with you guys this year a DIY Valentine wreath, everything from the Dollar Tree. The wreaths that I usually make, it's really with flowers. I don't do the ribbons ones, but I would definitely love to learn how to do those. I feel like those look a little more complicated. So let me go ahead and show you guys this Valentine wreath. The things you're going to need. So I have a heart-shaped wreath ring here. I have some decorative mesh, some ribbon, any kind of ribbon you would like, and then I have some pink roses, some red roses, a glue gun, and some glue sticks. Everything here you can pick up at the Dollar Tree. First things you're going to use is the wreath here and the decorative mesh. This is going to be wrapped around the heart wreath because that is going to give me more leverage when I go ahead and glue on the roses. I forgot to mention the wreath came out to $8, so it's definitely a budget project. So for $8 you can get a really cute Valentine's Day wreath, and that is not including the glue gun and the glue stick. If you want both of those, it will be $10 in total, and that is still a really good deal. Love how this wreath came out. So when you're doing a heart wreath, what you're gonna do is you're gonna put one flower a little bit sideways this way so that it gives, you know, the heart shape. But these are like thicker flowers. I made it look a little more bushier, this one. But overall, I really love the way it came out. And the mesh here, it holds it in place. So you can stick the little stem inside there. And in the back, it still looks nice and it looks pretty. The next step, I'm going to go ahead and use some of this ribbon, and I'm just going to put it in between here and just make a bow because this is to hang your wreath. If you don't want to use ribbon and you just like it like this, then you could also hang it this way. So you can make it long with just a knot like this. I call this a little snake tongue. Or make a bow. You could do it however you want, longer with the bow. You could do it any size. You can cut these shorter, or you can just do it plain or just with the plain knot. So here's my wreath for this year's Valentine's Day. I am so happy with it. I love how it came out, and like I've told you before, I enjoy making this. This is a hobby of mine. So I hope this helped you guys. I hope you guys make this. You can make this any time of the year. You can also, at the Dollar Tree, they sell the round wire wreaths, or sometimes I even see the wood ones, the grapevine ones. So you can do this however, which color, any patterns, all one color. I had fun making this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys all have an amazing day, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.